Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted source for hail roof damage insurance repairs in Louisville, Colorado. Denny's Roofing, building strong roofs, building stronger relationships. Unlike many roofing companies, we prioritize homeowner relationships and total roof replacements. Many roofing companies focus on total roof replacements, but our approach differs. We prioritize cultivating solid relationships with homeowners across Colorado. Our commitment extends to all aspects of roofing, from repairs to complete overhauls. Regarding roof repair, you can trust us to be there when you need us. Whether it's an emergency repair or a temporary tarping solution, we'll protect your home from further damage. Your peace of mind is our priority. We're not just about roofs but about your home's safety. Count on us to use suitable materials and approaches to fix your roof. Denny's Roofing, where quality meets integrity in every roofing project we undertake. Discover how we turn roofing needs into lasting solutions for homeowners like you. Experience the difference with Denny's Roofing, your local hail roof damage insurance repairs in Louisville, Colorado. We're just a call away at 970-808-0247, ready to provide top-notch roof services. Our website, dennysroofingllc.com/Louisville-roofing-company, is your portal to expert roofing solutions. We've covered your roof, from roof damage insurance repairs in Louisville, Colorado, to more.